Greetings, warrior. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and keep in touch for more riveting content. Today, we're embarking on a journey into the realm of atomic habits, the power they hold, and the magic of the 1% rule. We'll also delve into the world of successful people and their habits. Intrigued? You should be, because these seemingly small changes can make a colossal difference to your life. Ready to discover the secret sauce to success? Stay tuned. Let's delve into the world of atomic habits, the secret weapon for achieving success. Picture a cluster of atoms, the smallest particles in the universe, coming together to create something so massive and impactful. That's the essence of atomic habits, as described by James Clear in his book. It's the idea that minor, seemingly insignificant actions can snowball into significant changes over time, providing a massive payoff. Think of it like this. Imagine you're on a journey and your destination is success. Instead of trying to sprint to the finish line, you're taking small, steady steps. Each step might not seem like much on its own, but together they add up, leading you to your goal. Now let's bring it down to your daily life. You want to get fit? Instead of trying to run a marathon on day one, start with a 10-minute walk. Want to learn a new language? Begin with a single word a day. It's about making progress, not perfection. But here's where it gets interesting. Atomic habits aren't just about the actions you take, but also about the mindset you adopt. It's about shifting your focus from the end goal to the process, from what you want to achieve to who you want to become. Let's say you want to write a book. Instead of focusing on becoming a published author, focus on becoming a person who writes every day. This shift in perspective makes a world of difference. It turns your journey into a more enjoyable and sustainable one, leading to a greater likelihood of achieving your goals. And remember, these habits are like compound interest for your personal growth. The more you invest in them, the greater the return over time. It's about consistency, patience, and the belief that every small step counts. So next time you're overwhelmed by a big goal, break it down. Focus on the process, the small steps that you can take every day. That's the power of atomic habits. Remember, it's not about giant leaps, but small daily steps that bring about transformation. Now let's talk about the 1% rule, your new best friend in mastering any skill. Imagine a world where success isn't measured by leaps and bounds, but by a series of tiny, consistent steps. This is the world of the 1% rule. It's a simple concept, really. Just focus on improving a tiny bit every day, just 1%. Sounds easy, right? But don't let its simplicity fool you. It's a powerful tool that can help you master any skill you set your mind to. Now you might be wondering, why just 1%? Why not go all out and give it 100? Well, the beauty of the 1% rule is that it's manageable, it's sustainable. It doesn't ask you to exhaust yourself or to make drastic changes overnight. Instead, it encourages you to make small, achievable improvements every day. And these small changes over time add up to significant progress. Think about it. If you improve by just 1% every day, by the end of a year, you won't just be 365% better. No, thanks to the magic of compounding, you'd be over 37 times better. That's right. You'd be a maestro at whatever you set your mind to. But here's the catch. The 1% rule isn't a quick fix. It's a long game. It requires patience and consistency. It asks you to show up every day, to put in the work, and to trust in the process. And yes, there will be days when progress seems slow, when your 1% feels insignificant. But remember, it's not about the speed, it's about the direction. So, what's your 1% today? Is it reading 5 more pages of that book? Is it running for 1 more minute? Or is it practicing that piano piece for 5 more minutes? Whatever it is, make sure you do it. Because with the 1% rule, every step, no matter how small, takes you closer to your goal. With the 1% rule, you're on your way to becoming a maestro at anything you set your mind to. Ever wondered what sets successful people apart from the pack? It's their habits. Yes, you heard it right. Those seemingly insignificant routines, rituals, and habits are the pillars of their towering success. Let's take a peek into the lives of some of the world's most successful people. Elon Musk, the man behind Tesla and SpaceX, is known for his extreme work ethic and unyielding focus. He follows a rigorous schedule, dividing his day into 5-minute slots to maximize productivity. It's not about having more hours in the day, but about making every minute count. And then we have Oprah Winfrey, a name synonymous with success. Oprah attributes her achievements to her morning ritual of meditation and exercise. This routine, she believes, helps her stay grounded and maintain mental clarity, setting the tone for the rest of her day. What we can learn from these luminaries is that success is not a product of random acts, but a result of well-crafted habits. Like a well-oiled machine, their days are structured around habits that promote efficiency, creativity, and well-being. Now you might be thinking, but I'm not Elon Musk or Oprah Winfrey. And you're right, you're not. You're you with your unique goals, dreams, and circumstances, and that's why you need to create your own secret sauce to triumph. Start by identifying a few key habits that align with your goals. Want to be a better writer? Make it a habit to write every day. Dream of running a marathon? Start with a daily run around the block. Remember, it's not about the magnitude of the action, but the consistency of it. And don't forget, these habits don't need to be set in stone. They should evolve as you do, reflecting your growth and changing aspirations. Success is a journey, not a destination, and your habits are the vehicle that will get you there. So, my fellow dreamers and doers, it's time to take a leaf out of the book of successful people. Cultivate your own set of habits, your own rituals, your own routines, because just like these successful individuals, you too can create your secret sauce to triumph. So, my future superstars, it's all about atomic habits, the 1% rule, and the habits of the successful. Remember, it's those small, consistent actions that create a tidal wave of change. It's not about giant leaps, but rather the tiny, daily steps that transform your life. Embrace the 1% rule and adopt the habits of legends, because in the long run, it's those small steps that make you a superstar. For more tips and tricks to supercharge your journey to success, hit that subscribe button and stay connected.